Animals make sounds, it's true. Let's learn about them, me and you. The cow goes moo with a big wide grin. She munches on grass and chews her cud within. The pig goes oink with a snort and a snuffle. He loves to wallow in mud, oh, what a shuffle. The dog goes woof with a wag of his tail. He's happy to play and chase his ball without fail. The cat goes meow with a purr in her throat. She curls up on laps and likes to be stroked. The rooster goes cock-a-doodle-doo with a crow that wakes us up early, it's true. The owl goes hoo with a silent swoop. She's a wise old bird perched high in a group. The frog goes ribbit with a croak in his voice. He hops and swims in ponds, it's his choice. So there you have it, some animal sounds we know. Let's listen and learn as we watch them grow.